All right, once you have received your machine, you want to give it a once-over to verify that there is no physical damage. This is how your stretch wrap machine will look once it arrives at your facility. There's some things that you'll want to check. Make sure no damage to the front, no damage to the rear. Any of the carriage has been damaged, and that your machine has arrived safe and sound. What you will do is, once you've checked to make sure that you have a machine that's no damage, the top part here, you will find your manual, a tool bag, and a back flap for the bottom part of your machine. Once you have checked that out, these are the tools that you're going to need to assemble. You're going to need a 13mm wrench, socket, a wrench, a knife or tin snips, and a pair of channel locks or vice grips. And then inside your tool bag, you're going to need the 8mm Allen wrench. All right, once we have checked, make sure that you have the proper stuff to assemble this, we'll go ahead and start assembling. We're going to take our tin snips, cutting away the support cable ties. We will then remove these tower bolts, which are mounted here to secure this sheet or spacer. Once we have removed those, we are now going to come over to our bag, and you will find the other two bolts. The other two bolts will be inside your bag here. Once you have cut away the front part and removed the two bolts back here, you'll then erect the tower. Step inside. Make sure you're careful not to. Okay, thank you. Once the tower is erected, you'll want to place your mounting bolts. Once your screws are in, you're going to take your 8mm Allen wrench and secure the bolts. Okay, once your bolts are secure, you'll take a knife and carefully cut away the plastic on your turntable motor. The reason you carefully tear this off is because you have 2 cables in here. Once you've taken that off, you have 2 cables, your turntable motor cable and your linear proximity cable. They will attach to the ones that are cable tied into the tower. You'll notice that you cannot mix them up. Okay, once you've done that, we have 12 bolts that hold the top part of this carriage that you're going to use your 13mm socket and wrench to remove. Now to save time, we've already removed most of these bolts on here. That should be it. Okay, OCL. Once you have removed the 12 bolts, you can lift this top portion. Up, over, and set your side down. Once you have removed the top part of your carriage, you have 2 stabilizing bolts, also using the 8mm Allen wrench. AOCL. We'll grab the forklift. You're going to put it in these. That's good. All right, lift it up. Tilt it back toward you. Tilt it back toward you. Okay, it's good. Now slowly back. That's good. Lower it. Take it off of your carriage, put away these. Inside your toolbox or tool bag, you will find keys. These open up your side panels. This will allow you to put your back panel on. How this does is it sets in here, closes, and on the inside of here, this will drop into place to hold it into the spot. Your machine is ready to plug in and go.